Are you looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate? The Gerrie Group offers world-class service to clients around the world. Call us today to set up your personal tour at 417-337-1509 or email us at gerriemooregroup.com. The house that has it all. Open concept living with double-sided fireplace, wood floors, 3 seasons room and coffee bar. Imagine raising a family or enjoying retirement with your own indoor pool, steam room with shower, and home gym. Master ensuite with walk-in closet, 2 bedrooms and 2 more baths and laundry make the first level perfect for any family. Downstairs find open concept family room or game room with bonus storage and room for second kitchen. Outside enjoy landscaped seating area, pergola and hot tub for nights under the stars or bar-b-quing with friends. The 36x80 workshop and extra RV parking space are open to the imagination for what you will use the space for. Nestled on 2.5+ acres and walk to the lake. This